start in 1991. We have to make a modest hike stop. I do not say it is a very big hike stop. It is rupees 15,000 crores stop. This is basically to maintain our momentum of modernization stop. Due to foreign exchange variations, costs go up stop. So it is not that the budget is more stop. You might be buying the same stop era. If you maintain at the same level, you will be buying less stock. May I mention that our research organization have done a wonderful job and we could honor our scientists in this regard stock. And I want to put on record our appreciation for this stop era. About ex servicemen, I think they should not be forgotten in any debate. Stop. And of course, about one rank, one pension, the government committee is giving its report. Stop. I will be interacting with the ex servicemen organization to sort out with them some problems that are there. Stop. But I think ex serviceman is not a mere pensioner. Stop. I think it is not only pension, it is degrading the ex servicemen. Stop. They are the symbol of our country's unity. Stop. Whether they will be speaking Rajasthani or Bengali, Tamil or Punjabi, whether they be Hindu, Muslim, Christian, or Sikh, they may be coming from south, north, east, or west. But that man, when he puts on uniform, he is the symbol of the unity of the country. So, and I think today this whole class of ex servicemen should accept this challenge. Stop. They were ready to lay down their lives for the integrity of the country. Stop. I think they represented the emotional unity of the country, the cultural unity of the country. Stop. Any divisive forces that are coming ex servicemen, I appeal to them to come forward as leaders, not pensioners, and take the lead and maintain the unity of the country. Stop. And it is with that respect that we should treat them. Stop. Era. About further planning, we have not only 1 year budget but also 5 year plans. Stop. But we have to take look at a long term view. Stop. I have asked an exercise to be made that we should perceive our long term security environment, the threats and our possible responses to them. Stop. And when we define our possible responses to them, we should also have a weapon acquisition philosophy that will follow the contours of our responses to the threats that we perceive. Stop. And this we have to take in a 20-year range because developing our weapon system takes 10 to 15 years. Stop. And otherwise there is ad hocism from year to year in acquisition of our weapons. Stop.